Hello guys, welcome back. I somehow solved the problem in the easiest way. What I do? That's so stupid. Many of the programmers didn't tell you, but I just paste all the problem here and say to Gemini, please fix it. Say all the code here and say, can you fix this code? And it gives me the fixed code, and then I put it back, and then when I run it, it's giving me the video ID, and as you can see, the time that the video is published. Okay, now what we need is that what we should do, we should create a list and put the video ID and the time here. Add that by what? By the sorting. Okay, let me create another code cell, create a list. That's massive. Video list, and let me call it time list, and that's it. Now we need somehow to append them to the list. Okay, let's go for it. Let's go and see. Let me just copy that and see what it gives us. Okay, I put it down here. It says print the video ID published at. Okay, it's the text. We don't need text. We can just send video. Let me just see what video ID is. Let me see that. It's a one video ID. But how we can get all of it? What is F2? I don't know. Let's see if it has any numbers. It's callable. Oh, it's not callable. What is it? I don't really know, but it should have some kind of trick that we can use it. Video. Let's just see what video is. What video is. Let me see. It's going in there. For video in videos, we forgot this important line. Let me put it here. For video in videos, video. Print video. Okay. I always make this mistake. Now we have a plan. We can append this. Let me just copy that and say, okay, video list dot append, and then that. Let me just copy that and put it down there. Time list dot append. Let's run it. Okay, video list is not why. Let me run it first. then run it here. Okay, let's see what we have in video list. We have all the objects. Let's see. TEV published at 2023. Let's see the first time. It must be 2023 time list. That's right. I've done our code and we have two lists. Now we just have to make them in an Excel and save them. Have a good time. Until then.